Basketball, you better be in the gym with me because I'm here to give you what you need, guaranteed to succeed in the game that you love to play each and every day. And I'm going to give it to you here in every way. Today, we are going to do active feet, okay? We're going active feet, and we're going to get a little bit of core work in, but it's not going to be too much, but we're going to be moving actively a little bit more than we have before, all right? So I'm ready to get this workout underway. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's get to it. All right, so first thing we're doing is we're doing knee taps, okay? We're going to get a little bit of a twist in it, but nothing too crazy, okay? So we got our hands up here, okay? Nice and easy. We're tapping and we're twisting and we're turning, okay? Keeping those legs high, hitting those knees with those hands, right? So boom, boom, and twist, boom, boom. Nice and easy, nice and easy, okay? Couple more. Great, okay? Very easy, very simple. Start to get those hips moving, getting those legs raising, ready to run, okay? Speaking of run, now we're gonna do a run with high knees. So we're gonna keep those hands high again, so it gives us an object to hit when we are running, okay? So we can keep them here, you can keep them up here. However, you can get your knees high, all right? I'm gonna keep mine about right here, okay? Here we go, real quick and easy. Let's go, boom, boom. Get them up, get them up, get them up, get them up, get them up. I'm focused, you see it. All right, good. So we got high knees, we're tapping them high, we're keeping them high. Now you can feel it in the quads, start to feel it in the hips. Great job. Okay, now we got twist jumps. So we twisted our body right there. Now we're actually gonna jump and twist, okay? So we're gonna go here, and we're twisting, and we're twisting those feet. Getting those ankles warmed up, twisting up those knees, working on the movement of our body, going in different directions, because it never really goes the same direction all the time when playing. So we're working our twist. 5 more seconds. Good job. Very good. Get you moving, get you breathing hard. Okay, so now I have this object, which is just a simple hurdle, right? Use it for different agility things. Today, we're using it for just a little object to hop over. So again, it's light, it's easy. If I trip over it, it doesn't hurt my legs at all. Okay, so I'm gonna first do 2 feet, okay? We're gonna work the front hop and the back hop, okay? So we're hopping over, okay? We're coming back. All right, hopping over, coming back. Okay, easy land. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so very simple. Over and back. Again, your legs are gonna start getting a little tired. So you just wanna be careful. You don't want those heels to hit whatever object that is. All right? Okay, so now we're going to kind of do 180 turns, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop over, okay, with a little bit of a turn. Then I'm gonna hop back over with another turn, but coming back straight up. So I'm gonna turn here like this, over, then I'm gonna hop back over straight. I'm gonna hop over, then I'm hopping back over. Hopping over, hopping here. Hopping over, hopping here. Hopping over, hopping here. Hopping over, hopping here. Okay? So now I've done that where I've jumped and I've turned and I landed this way. So what you do on one side, you have to do on the other. So we're gonna do that same thing, working that turn and that land the other way. Okay, hopping over that hurdle, turning and landing. Boom, right, boom, 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 boom. Okay, just really working that landing, really engaging on the land. All right, so those are like 180 turns. So make sure you hop over clean, make sure you land, absorb that landing, and then also have a focus coming back, because you don't want that lower foot or your leg or ankle to clip the hurdle. All right, good job. We're gonna get into the next thing. Okay, so now looking into it, same thing, but now we're gonna squat. Okay, so now you're gonna sit in that chair. Those quads are a little warm now. You feel them activated. You're gonna sit in that chair. I always like to just kind of put my arms out straight, makes me sit down a little bit more. Okay, in that hold, we're just holding, really sitting in that chair. That's that defensive stance, right? We're gonna be here, we're holding, we're trying to be strong. Might even take a charge here, right? Hold that squat, be strong in it. Okay, perfect. Okay, so the last warm up we're gonna do, or the last exercise I should say, is now we're still gonna be here. We're still working that stepping over the hurdle. Okay, so now we're over the top, boom, right? Over the top, boom, over the top, boom. You get that first leg over, boom, get that second leg over. First leg, second leg. First leg, second leg. First leg, second leg. Now, you can do the same thing going the other way, facing this way, or you can do it going backwards, which is tough. Okay, so now we're going backwards. Ooh, ooh, trying to get over the hurdle. Almost imagine that there's really a hurdle right here, right now, as I'm trying to get over. Okay, getting over, getting over, getting over. Okay, now coming back, boom, boom. Good, 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 good. And then one more time back. So now I'm going back, back, back. I can't even turn that leg sideways. Come on, get over. Ah. One more. Ah. Woo! My hips are tight, but that felt right. It definitely did. So that should get you nice and warm, hips loose, right? We did a little bit with the shoulders, did a little side bend, okay? And then nothing too crazy to where we got tired, but we worked those quads and that lower body, all right? See, Basketball U, I told you could do it. You got through another workout again. It's easy, right? You just keep stacking days, and it's easy, man. You get to relax, get your summer body right, and everything's all right. Hey, thank you for coming through as you always do, Basketball U. And remember, someone's always working. Are you?